You're sitting in a cold, sterile waiting room. You've been there for an hour, flipping through a magazine from 3 years ago, waiting for a doctor who is overworked, underslept, and has exactly 7 minutes to diagnose what's wrong with you. This is the reality of healthcare today. A system stretched so thin it's about to snap. But what if I told you that in less than 5 years, the most accurate, attentive, and capable doctor you will ever see won't be human? Welcome to the $100 trillion healthcare revolution. We are standing at the edge of a paradigm shift where artificial intelligence isn't just assisting medical professionals. It is fundamentally replacing the outdated systems that have failed us for decades. From diagnosing diseases years before symptoms appear to discovering miracle drugs in a matter of days, AI is rewriting the rules of human biology. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in secure server farms and high-tech labs around the world. And it is going to change everything about how you live, how you heal, and how long you survive. Let's talk about diagnosis. The human brain is incredible, but it has limits. A doctor can only read so many medical journals, analyze so many scans, and remember so many patient histories. Enter the AI diagnostic engine. Right now, AI models are being trained on datasets containing millions of brain scans, X-rays, and genetic profiles. These systems don't get tired. They don't get distracted. And they don't miss the tiny, almost imperceptible anomalies that human eyes overlook. Recent studies have shown that AI software is already twice as accurate as human professionals at examining brain scans of stroke patients. It can spot bone fractures that urgent care doctors miss in up to 10% of cases. It's like finding a single misspelled word in a 5,000-page book. But it goes deeper than that. AI isn't just reacting to sickness. It's predicting it. Imagine knowing you were going to get sick 5 years before you actually felt a symptom. Machine learning models are now capable of detecting the presence of diseases long before they manifest clinically. By analyzing your unique biological signature, AI can predict with high confidence your likelihood of developing conditions like Alzheimer's, kidney disease, or chronic pulmonary issues. This is the shift from reactive medicine, treating you after you're broken, to predictive medicine. In the old system, you went to the doctor because you were in pain. In the AI-driven future, the algorithm alerts you to a microscopic biological shift and prescribes a hyper-personalized protocol to ensure that pain never arrives. It is the ultimate preventative maintenance for the human machine. But diagnosis is only half the battle. Once we know what's wrong, we need a cure. And historically, the process of finding that cure has been a nightmare. The discovery and development of new drugs is a lengthy, complex, and brutally expensive process. It often takes 10 to 20 years and billions of dollars to move a single drug from an initial concept in a lab to a pill in your medicine cabinet. It is a system of trial and error, a slow, agonizing game of biological roulette. Until now, generative AI is doing for drug discovery what the assembly line did for manufacturing. Instead of physical trial and error, AI models can simulate chemical interactions and design novel molecules in a digital environment. They can analyze the vast, complex structures of proteins and instantly generate compounds perfectly designed to bind to them. What used to take a decade of laboratory research can now be simulated in weeks. This means faster development of targeted therapies for rare diseases. It means rapid responses to emerging global health threats. It means that the cost of developing life-saving medications will plummet, democratizing access to treatments that were previously reserved for the ultra-wealthy.